Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track net revenue retention NRR the simple way in ProfitWell Matrix. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to track your NRR, that is net revenue retention, in your ProfitWell Matrix, all you gotta do is simply go and log in into your ProfitWell. Once you are in your ProfitWell, you can be very much in ease as ProfitWell uses its automated analytics to monitor the pre-built revenue retention rate metric in your dashboard, which accounts for all revenue changes from your existing customer base without manual calculations. ProfitWell automatically integrates and processes data from your billing system like Stripe or Braintree to provide this real-time metric. Now, you can simply use your ProfitWell Matrix to track it by connecting your billing system, access the pre-built metrics, monitoring the dashboard, and analyzing the components. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.